Hello, lovelies. It's your girl, Amanda, also known as Mrs. Archiver. How are you doing? How you doing, lovely? I hope you're doing great. Did you miss me? I missed you. I did not make a video last week, and that was because I was on vacation. If you follow me on my Instagram at Mrs. Archiver, I did let you guys know that I was not going to be posting a video because there was some things going on, and that's what was going on. I tend to be a little bit private. I don't share everything on social media, but I did go on vacation with my husband, and we ended up spending about 4 days at this place called Kalahari, and it has an indoor water park because for vampires like me that burn in the sun after like 10 minutes because the sun doesn't like me, I absolutely love indoor water parks. I can go in the lazy river and the wave pool and slides and not have to worry about being burnt by the sun. Anyway, let's go ahead and discuss a little bit about my Hobonichi weeks and what I'm doing here. I did change up my layout. I needed a change. I needed a change, okay? So I want to be a little bit more productive. I'm going to have different sections. I'm still going to keep track of my finances, but what I'm noticing in my finances is that each day, I was doing this like running tally. I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm going to simplify it. I'm just going to tally what the day expense was and just have that on the side. Make it a little bit easier for myself. And I'm going back to a cash budget. Cash envelopes. Cash is king. I got a little crazy using my credit card, so I needed to go ahead and start using cash again. Here I'm using a tracker. Yes, if you followed me for a while, you know how I say, oh my gosh, I never keep up with my trackers. Well, this time, this isn't a tracker per se. It's I just want to know how often I journal and how often I go to the gym, how often I post. It is a tracker, okay? It is a tracker, but not a habit tracker. I don't know. Okay, we'll see how this goes, okay? We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to have a tracker space, and then I'm also going to have highlights, and that's going to be the top 3 highlights of my week, which is going to be personal, work, and home, of things that I accomplished that I'm just kind of proud of, just kind of like a one little sentence. And I'm also going to have tasks. I noticed that I don't really list like a lot of tasks, so I just wanted a small section. And then this is going to be for next week. That way I can kind of just have a quick little glance of what I need to put for next week, if it's a birthday or etc. On one column, I am going to have for appointments, and in the larger column on the left, I'm going to have a free space so I can journal or I can doodle or whatever. I'm still going to have the high-low. When I say high-low, meaning high as in weather, low as in weather. I like to keep track of the weather. I like to know if it's going to rain or not, because if you're prepared with the weather, you know how you're going to dress, right? Moving on, it just so happened that my babe box came in from the Honeybee shop, and this theme is called Functional Bold, and it actually came with a few things. I'm just going to kind of briefly go through it. It came with a clear bag, of course. Came with a pen. The pen is super cute. It looks like a pencil. I like it. I'm going to do a little bit more in depth, just like in a little bit, but this is just kind of like a quick overview. Because I was like, why not use the stickers in this spread, right? That's a little pen holder, and then we have some postcards, journaling cards. That's a sticker book. And this is a jelly cover, my first jelly cover, and a sticker book. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go through the sticker book and see what I can decorate with. So on the bottom right-hand side, I left it like just a empty space, so that space will be for when I want to just put like a little collage or a photo or quote or whatever, because I still, this girl has to decorate in some way. It's just me, okay? I like to decorate. I like to be creative. I can't help it, okay? It's a creative process. So I thought this was kind of cool because it looks like a torn page, and then it really did tear on the bottom. I don't know what happened there. And then I tried to rip it, and I had to remember that it's not magazine. You know, like when I do a magazine, it just rips very easily. This is a stickers. Stickers are a little harder to rip. But I did it, okay? I did it. Then this has a little post-it note. You know, what I thought was really cute about this theme is that it's like all like a little back to school kind of theme going on. Now, here's a fact. I was actually homeschooled. So I never went to like public school and did the whole like back to school shopping and that kind of thing. So I always get excited, you know, to go browse the back to school supplies section because, you know, yeah, girl loves stationery. That's where it all starts, right? The stationery and the pens. So I had some like really cute die cuts, quite a few of them. They even had some like little Tombow marker kind of thing going on. This washi is my own washi. Kind of had to throw some black in there. I like the black. And it was like some little black spots, specks. Kind of reminded me of a composition book. This die cut stickers this time around, I don't know if it was just me, but they felt like they were a little thinner than usual. I don't know. It could be just me because I'm weird like that with paper and stickers. But it felt like it was a little thin. I don't know. You can even see the washi like through her legs. This little quote that I grabbed was actually from the Happy Planner. It was a sticker book that I had, so I went and I grabbed that real quick. And I just thought it went in nicely with the pink. Yeah. So let's go ahead and go back to the Honeybee Shop Babe Box. And we can look a little bit more in depth with that. But I liked how this spread came out. It's cute. Functional and cute. So this is the washi. It has like little pencils. The pen I think is adorable. It looks like a pencil, but it's a pen. I mean, I just think that was cute. And then, of course, all the little die cut stickers. And I like the embossing and the little foil that it had. It was super cute. Let me just pick this up real quick. And I'm just going to put it back in the bag. So don't mind me. Any day now, Amanda. Any day now. Why didn't I just edit this out? I don't know. Watch me struggle. I don't know. Okay, moving on. Any day now. Okay, here we go. Okay. Jelly roll cover. I really, is it called a jelly roll? No, not jelly roll. That's the pen brand. Jelly cover. This is cute. This is my first jelly cover. I think it's adorable. It has, of course, the two main pockets. That way you can go ahead and put your notebook in there. And then it has these two other little separate pockets. So I was like, oh, that's nifty. And the sticker book. Okay, this sticker book, I will tell you, and I'm being honest, it came with a lot more sheets of like reusable sticker paper than I thought it was going to come with. It has a plethora. I was like, oh man, I didn't count how many sheets, but dude, like, look, that's a lot. Like, that's a lot. I'm definitely going to have to put some stickers in here so that way it'd be easy to carry. But super cute, you know? You could also fit like a little notebook in there too. It doesn't have to be the sticker book, but I thought it fit just right. The journaling cards fit in there perfectly too. So I was like, okay, just stuck everything in there. And this is a little pen pouch, pen case, pen sleeve. Oh my gosh, Amanda, get it together. I couldn't think of what it was. A pen sleeve, and it's just cute. You could fit a few pens in there. I have some highlighters that I'll probably place in there. And I liked how everything fit. It's a little smaller than a B6 because I think that's a B6 size sticker book. But I like how you could just put everything together. It was super cute. I liked it. It came with the washi. Oh, and a little patch too. And it was great. So yeah, that's going to do it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below, do all the things, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.